Suzuki Maruti 800, a legacy on wheels, 3,000-word review. Introduction. The Suzuki Maruti 800, affectionately known as just Maruti by millions of Indian families, is not just a car. It's a revolution. A symbol of mobility, independence, and economic progress, the Maruti 800 changed the Indian automotive landscape forever. Introduced in 1983, this small hatchback not only became the most sold car in India for decades, but also defined the automobile ownership dream of the common Indian. In this comprehensive 3,000-word review, we will take a deep dive into the Maruti 800's design, performance, features, history, evolution, and legacy. 1. History and background. In the early 1980s, India's automobile sector was dominated by bulky and outdated models like the Ambassador and Premier Padmini. The idea of owning a compact, efficient, affordable car seemed like a dream for middle-class Indians. That's when the Indian government, under the leadership of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, initiated a collaboration with Japan's Suzuki Motor Corporation to launch a people's car. Thus, Maruti Udyog Limited was born. In December 1983, the first Maruti 800 rolled out of the Gurgaon factory. It was based on the Suzuki Fronte SS80, a 796cc hatchback. It cost around $50,000 at the time and came with modern features like front-wheel drive, a 4-speed manual transmission, and a compact engine that delivered decent mileage. The Maruti 800 instantly clicked with the masses, and a new automotive era began. 2. Exterior design. The Maruti 800 had a very simple, boxy, yet functional design that suited Indian roads perfectly. It was small enough to easily navigate congested city streets and park in tight spots. Despite its size, the design was balanced and carried a clean look. Key exterior features: compact dimensions. It measured just under 3.3 meters in length. Front fascia, a minimalistic grille, rectangular headlights, and a Suzuki badge at the center. Side profile, clean straight lines with manually adjustable ORVMs, outside rearview mirrors. Wheels, 12-inch steel rims with basic hubcaps. Tail design, a rectangular rear windshield and simple tail lamp cluster. Over the years, there were minor cosmetic updates including redesigned headlamps, new bumpers, and updated logos, but the silhouette remained unmistakably Maruti. 3. Interior and comfort. The cabin of the Maruti 800 was utilitarian. It was designed with the purpose of being affordable, functional, and practical. Cabin highlights: dashboard, a simple plastic dashboard with analog speedometer, fuel gauge, and basic switches. Seating, thin cushioning but decent space for 4 adults. The rear bench seat was foldable in later models. Storage, minimal, a glove box, door pockets, and a small space below the dashboard. Ventilation, basic air vents. Higher variants came with air conditioning. Audio system, initially none. Later models had provision for a cassette player and speakers. Despite the limited comfort features, the Maruti 800 had enough space for nuclear families and made city commuting very convenient.